Okay, I want to show you a couple of other items for us to kind of work through. That way you know how to do it. And that is, how do we create these index pages, and how to kind of spruce them up a little bit. If you notice, we go down here to the videos. This right here is an index page. All right, and an index page has other pages on it, where a categories page has other posts on it. So all this does is go to other pages on the store. Okay. Now, I hope you're really familiar with the differences between pages and posts. I'm going to assume that you are. And so I want to kind of reiterate. I want to say this one more time. These here are pages. So if you want to create a specific page, if you want to go to kids right here, and you want this right here are showing products. Okay. And these are posts. All right. But if you want this kids page to show other pages so that you can specify exactly what you want to show, then you have to create pages and then tell this page to go to be on this other page. Okay, so let me go back in. We're going to do the videos because there wasn't a lot of products to kind of get in our way with the videos. Okay, so let me just empty my cart. That's going to distract me the entire time. There we go. All right. We have on this page, on this one page, we have three links to other pages. We have the DVD store, the Smiles, Aisles, and Productions, and the download videos. A couple things you're going to notice. We've got this description that's kind of in the way. We have these blocks here, and we have this long description stuff that just bleh, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to alter all three of these. All right. So when we get to this page, if you're logged in, you'll see this edit this page. The first thing you're going to notice over here, this page attributes. And there's not a lot of websites that integrate this, but I have implemented the templates. So we can choose. We have all types of stuff. We have full page. We have galleries. We have portfolios. We have a login page. We have a search page. We have a sitemap page. Just all different types of pages that I've already pre-made within this theme to help you guys out. And in this case, the one page that shows other pages is called the index portfolio page. You click that, and then you get this list of pages that you can add to your page. All right. Also, you get an option between small, medium, and large. You can show descriptions, show titles, detect portrait images. I usually leave that off. What happens is if you have a portrait image, then it really makes it tall versus wide, and it throws off the look on everything. So we leave that closed. But what option you might like is this full page. All right, and if we click on that and then we go back to view the page, all right, then we get a full page. All the way across versus, going two down and seeing the sidebar there. That's also kind of nice. Let's turn that back off. Well, let's actually leave that on. I want to show you what large is. All right. And there's large. You see how the images are much larger. There we go. And then if you do small, and then that's where you get very small images here as well. Of course, we still got its full page. I'm gonna go ahead and keep that on. And I'm gonna show you what the gallery page looks like. And we're gonna need some stuff to go in there. And we have video downloads. There you are. I just know there's a lot of you in there. So here is the gallery page. Okay, you hover over it, you get this nice little thing. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. This looks really cool, and you guys might like, yeah, I really like that. But when we actually watch people use this, they don't know the difference between these two buttons, and then they get confused because they'll click the first one, and will pop up this window of this picture that you have, and it doesn't actually take them to anything, and they're like, what is that button? I don't know what that button does. And so, yeah, it might look cool, but be careful when you use it. This is made for picture galleries, not really to take you to other products. Okay, let's go back. And what I want to do is, here, I'm going to show you the portfolio page. Portfolio page works the exact same way. It's going to show you the galleries. There we go. All right, these are the videos. I had set it on downloadable videos, so these are all the downloadable videos that you have. We also have older entries, so it is paginated if you wanted to. We can specify exactly how many you want. In that case, it's 3 per row, so making a multiple of 3 would be good, making it 12. There we go. And so doing a little refresh, and now we have 12 products per page. there that is. Okay, so when you click over either the text or the image, you go to the individual product. Okay, you see how that works? Excellent. Glad you do. So now we got a couple of different questions. Number one, we got this to deal with. So let's go back to edit the page, and that's exactly this. So if you want, most of the time we just delete those. Sometimes we leave them in. It depends on exactly what you're wanting to do. If you want another blog, but yet you want other products to be in there, this is a good option for you because you can make this look like anything else, but you also get to add in these other images as well. So this is a really good option to have in there. Just don't think about it as individual as much as index pages, as much as it is for individual products when you want to show other products as well. Okay. If you see anything that has the WPSC tags in there that was originated with the cart, you need to delete those because those no longer work. They might show up, then they might take people to a product page, but they mess up everything else. So please, 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 if you see those, delete those. Okay. Also, but we're talking specifically about index pages because what we want to do is pages that are within other pages and not portfolio pages. So index portfolio, now we get to choose which pages we want to be in there. This is the videos, and so we want to show the DVDs that you guys have on there. This right here is a page, and I actually created that page. All right, and then we also have some other, let's see, we want the downloadable videos page. And where is the Smiles Isles? There we go. All right, we're going to click Update and refresh one more time. And here is these new pages. We get the DVD store, Smiles Isles, and also a page to the downloadable videos. Now check this out. This right here is called an index page because this is a page, this is a page, this is a page. When we click on the downloadable videos, this is called a category page or a portfolio page, okay? This is a post, this is a post, this is a post, this is a post. Do I need to go down? Yes, post, post, okay? These are posts. And so in order to do the index pages, all right, that is through the index portfolio page. All right, I know I'm being repetitive, but I don't want you guys being confused later on. I want you to be able to come back to this video with questions. All right, so this is the index portfolio page. You just select the pages that you want down there, and you can have up to as many as you want. And so you can change that number if you need to. You can have all of them if you want. If you want to get rid of the descriptions, we can click that, and then magically these descriptions go away. Look at there, that looks nice and clean, but we actually kind of want the descriptions, but maybe we want some different values here. For example, we don't have anything for the download videos, and then we do have this lengthy thing for the DVD store. So let's go to the DVD store real quick, and then we're going to edit this page, and what it's looking for is this thing called the excerpt, and this is a really short description. Okay, very nice. Great job, Brian. And so we come back over here. All right, we're going to view the page. Let's get rid of some of this other stuff that I have up here. And if you notice, we go back to our videos, our index page, and there it is. They use the excerpt. So if you want to get rid of that long description thing, you go to this page, and then we're going to go to edit this page, and then we're going to go down here to the excerpt, and then this is another short description, okay? And then when we update that, all right, then we go back, and then we go back and view our videos, and then there they are. So if you want to add a short description for the downloadable videos, again, it's just the excerpt. So that's how you take care of that. But the last thing is how in the world do we take care of this image? This is a blank image. It doesn't look good. So we have the DVD store here, and we're going to edit this page. And again, that image comes right in here into the featured images. Click on the featured image. I'm just going to grab something that's already out of our library. There it is. Use, save, exit, update. Okay. And so now when we go back to the page again, one last time to our video page, we now have a nice pretty picture of a coffee cup or whatever image you want right there. Now that where we had done that, let me back up and show you that again. Actually, it might be right there. Okay, that's set in the featured image. That's the old one. Here's the new one. This is the featured image. This is going to be true in anything that you do, whether it's posts or pages. If you want a fancy little image like what we had up there, you got to put it in the featured images. Okay, so there that is there. So how come this doesn't have a little picture? This is a post because this is a product. This is a post. That's because we do not have the featured image saved. Now also notice that this is this image right here is cut and cropped to the exact size that you need, so there's not a worry about getting it in a wrong size. So just as long as your image is kind of laid out properly in the 4:3 format, you should be okay with it. Okay, last thing that I almost forgot to show you is what if I want these in a different order? You notice how these are not in alphabetical order. Well, it's a little bit harder to do, but it is doable. Okay, so all you have to do is I'm going to open all three of those in a new tab right up there. Okay, and then I'm going to edit all three of these. 1, 2, and then 3. Edit this page as well. And then what we want. So we want the smiles aisles to be first. So I'm going to come down here to the order, hit 1. We want the DVDs to be 2. So we're going to set the order to 2. And then we want the downloadable videos to be 3. And update 3, come back, hit refresh, and voila. 1, 2, 3. That's how we rearrange the order of the index videos. Now, one drawback of this is that if you have the DVD store and multiple indexes, well then you cannot reset the menu order. You cannot reset this order down here and that's going to carry across. Oh, where'd it go? Once you set the order, it's that's one order for all of the index pages. So that's something to kind of watch out for. But usually it's not that much of an issue. All right.